Okay, so it's time to show you some Granitas. This is a really effective summer drink that you can make. It's really super easy, 15 seconds on the blender, and I'm going to show you how you can make them using different types of ingredients as well. So as you can see, I've got salted caramel sauce, I've got a lemon smoothie mix, I've also got watermelon syrup. So I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can make Granitas. So as I say, really refreshing in the summer. So we start with an overfull glass of ice. Okay, and for the salted caramel one, I'm going to fill that as well, about half with water. I'm going to pop that into my blending jar. Okay, so I'm going to use this product as well. It's called the Liquid Frappé and Granita Base. So this is a really versatile product in that you can include it into your frappés, and you can also use this with Granitas as well. It works really well. 2 pumps of that, and I'm going to go with the salted caramel. I'm going to go 3 pumps of this as well. Now this is going to go onto my Blendtec blender, and if you've just got a Blendtec and fresh out of the box, so it says multi-purpose on the screen, you'll already have the Granita setting on button 2. So this setting is absolutely spot on for making Granitas. It's a 14-second cycle, and today I'm showing you this on the Blendtec Stealth, which is very quiet, which is why I'm able to talk to you at a normal volume and you can still hear me. So that's done. And you can see it's kind of a nice snowy consistency. Okay, that's the salted caramel Granita. You could line the glass with salted caramel sauce if you want, or you can drizzle some on top. I'll leave that up to you. But that is a great tasting summer cooler. Right, so that's one. Okay, next one I'm going to show you is a lemon Granita. Okay, and I'm going to show you using the Sweetbird lemon smoothie mix. So I'm just going to give that a quick shake. This has come out of the fridge. It's already been opened. So once you've opened this, you've got about 5 days to use it. Before you've opened it, you can store it ambiently as well, which is great. So into my glass, I'm going to fill half. So on the last one I use water. This time I'm using the lemon smoothie. I'm going to fill that half in the blending jar. 2 pumps of my liquid frappé and Granita mix on the blender, button 2. That's the Granita blend again. I'm going to get the exact same texture from that as I did with my salted caramel one. You can imagine how refreshing this is going to be in the summer. You could incorporate this into your bar, your cocktail menu. Great for kids as well, because obviously it's non-alcoholic. Time to put some straws in. Okay, so salted caramel Granita, lemon Granita using smoothie mix. Now I'm going to make you the final one, which is going to be a really refreshing watermelon Granita. Okay, so starting again with a overfull glass of ice. This time I'm going to top up with water to about halfway. In the blender jar. Okay, so ice and water in the jar, and now I'm going to put 4 pumps of Sweetbird watermelon syrup, 2, 3, 4, and 2 pumps of the liquid frappé Granita into there as well. On with the lid, button 2. Okay, so I can actually smell that straight away. Really summery, giving me festival vibes. In it goes. In with the straw, and then we have our 3 Granitas. We used salted caramel sauce, we used lemon smoothie base, and we used Sweetbird watermelon syrup. So whatever ingredients you've got, you can make a Granita really easily using the liquid frappé and Granita mix, Blendtec blenders, and any ingredients you've got. So enjoy.